Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show how to make a breakfast banana smoothie for a healthy weight loss. Here is the health benefits of the ingredients. Take 4 to 5 almonds, 2 dates, 6 to 7 raisins, 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. Add quarter cup of hot water. Soak it for 10 minutes. Add it to a blender and pulse it for 2 minutes. Then add sliced bananas, quarter cup of milk and blend it. Breakfast banana smoothie is ready. Garnish with some almonds. It is the healthy weight loss breakfast recipe. Subscribe, like, share and comment for more videos.